Hello children, welcome to another class of computer lesson. Today we are going to learn about the remaining portions in this chapter. So last class we have studied about the working of a computer. So how a computer works? Using a keyboard we can enter commands into the computer, and then there is a CPU which processes the commands or instruction according to the specifications or requirements. Then finally the output is displayed on the monitor, right? Okay. So now the topic is how is computer special? What is next topic? How is computer special? So nowadays, computer is very special and very popular. That means they have become popular and being used in every offices and organizations. So here are some characteristics of the computer. So let's see what are the characteristics of a computer. Look at the picture. Here I am very fast and here I am 100% accurate. Then I can store a lot of work. So first one, I am very fast, I am 100% accurate, and I can store a lot of work. So let's see what are the characteristics of a computer. So the question is, what are the characteristics? Characteristics of a computer. Characteristics of a computer. So there are 3 points. First point, speed. First point is speed. Then what is the spelling of speed? Yes. Next, P. Then E. D. Speed. Yes. P. E. D. Speed. S-P-E-E-D. Speed. S-P-E-E-D. Speed. Second is reliability. What is the spelling of reliability? R E reliability. L I A. Then L-I-A. B I L-I-T-Y. Reliability. The third one is storage. Yes. Storage. Storage. So these are the 3 characteristics of a computer. So let me explain one by one. So first one is what? Speed. So what is the spelling of speed? Yes. P E E-D. Speed means computer is very fast. Computer is very fast because a computer can do millions of actions per second. Millions of things per second. A computer can do millions of actions per second. That means it can do thousands of calculations in time which you take to blink your eyes. So that means why a computer is speed? Because computer can do thousands of things within a second. Computer can do billions of things within a second. A computer. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer can. C-A-N. Can Yes. Computer can do billions of actions. ACTIONs. Actions means problems or calculations within second. A computer can do billions of actions per second. PER per second. That's why the character computer is fast. So the first character is what? Computer is very speed. So a computer can do billions of actions per second. A computer can do billions of actions per second. That is thousands of calculations within second. That's why computer is very fast. So what is the first characteristic? Speed. What is the first one? Speed. What is the spelling? SPED. That means a computer can do billions of actions per second. Then second characteristic is reliability. What is the second characteristic? Reliability. So first one, speed. Second one is reliability. 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 Reliability means a computer gives 100% accurate result. That means it does not make any mistake. It does not computer does not make any mistakes. It gives 100% accurate result. A computer gives you 100% accurate results. It will not give you incorrect result. It will not give you any mistakes or it will not give you any incorrect result. So that is reliability. Correctness. So we can say it gives 100% result. A computer gives 100% accurate. ACCURATE. Accurate result. So, why computer is reliable? A computer gives 100% accurate results. That means correct result. It gives very correct result. That means it will not make any mistake. It will not make any mistake. Any mistakes. So that's why we can say computer is reliable. So the first characteristic is computer is very speed. Second one, reliability. Reliability means a computer gives 100% accurate result and it will not make any mistakes. It will not make any mistakes. So the second is reliability. Third one is storage. 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 Storage means computer can store large amount of information. A computer can store large amount of information. Not only numbers or a or a group of text. It stores pictures, documents, videos, text data, any other type of digital data. So a computer stores large amount of information. So storage means a computer, C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer stores, S-T-O-R-E-S, stores large amount of, large, L-A-R-G-E, large amount, A-M-O-U-N-T, large amount of, O-F, information, I-N-F-O-R-M-A-T-I-O-N, large amount of information. That means a computer can store text data, document, that is document which includes pictures, images or videos, etc. Okay, so what are the three characteristics of a computer? Computer is very high speed, reliability, then storage. You know, computer is a high speed electronic machine. So why a computer is very high speed? Because it can do millions of actions per second. It can do millions of actions per second. Then why a computer is reliable? It will not make any mistake. That means it gives 100% accurate result. Then third one, storage. Storage means computer can store large amount of information like text data, document data, then files, then videos, audios, etc. Right? Okay. So what are the things we have learned in this chapter? Just a quick recap. All components of a computer work together to make it a finish or a task. What is a computer language? A computer language is used to communicate with the computer. We know English, Malayalam, several languages, and the computer language is used to communicate with the computer. Then there are some instructions behind it. So that instruction is known as computer program. So all instructions in the computer, that means all instructions given to the computer in the form of a computer language. Then what are the three characteristics? Speed, S-P-E-E-D, speed. Reliability, R-E-L-I-A-B-I-L-I-T-Y, reliability. Storage, S-T-O-R-A-G-E. Okay. So next is worksheet time. Worksheet. Okay. So let's do worksheet number 1. There are 3 instructions which are given to a computer. Arrange them in proper order. So here 3 instructions are given in your textbook and let's arrange it in the correct order. Okay. So the first instruction is D, T-H-E-D, result. Result, R-E-S-U-L-T, result. Is, I-S, is displayed, D-I-S-P-L-A-E-Y-E-D, displayed. On, O-N, monitor, M-O-N-I-T-O-R. So first instruction is the result is displayed on monitor. Then second instruction, from the keyboard, from the keyboard, KEYBOARD or mouse, 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 from the keyboard or mouse, you can, YOU can, CAN, enter, enter commands or instruction. You can enter the problems and instruction. The problems, 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 and instructions, INSTRUCTIONS, instructions. Then, so this is the second instruction. From the keyboard or mouse, you can enter the problems and the instructions. Third one, the CPU works on CPU works, works on, works on those instructions, those instruction, INSTRUCTIONS, instruction to produce result, produce, produce results, RESULTS. So look at the board. So worksheet number 1, here it says these 3 instructions are in incorrect order. So can you help me how to arrange the correct order? We have already studied what is the working of a computer, how a computer works. So then please tell me what is the correct order. Which is the correct, or what is the first instruction? First one, here the result is displayed on monitor. Second one, from the keyboard or mouse you can enter the problems and instructions. Third one, the CPU works on those instructions to produce result. So which is the first instruction or first step? We know first step is giving input to the computer. So which are the ways we can give input to the computer? Using keyboard or mouse. So here this is the first one. So here this is the first one. From the keyboard or the mouse, you can enter the problems and instructions. That is the first one. Then what is the second? Then after entering the instructions through keyboard, what happens? The computer CPU or the processor receives the instructions and processes it, right? So what is the processor? CPU. The CPU works on those instructions to produce result. So this is the second one. The CPU works on those instructions to produce result. Then finally, the result will display on where? Monitor. So that is the third one. The result is displayed on monitor. That is the third one. So in your textbook, so you have to write the 3 in arranged order. So let's see. First, write on the first blank space. You have to write from the keyboard or mouse. You can enter the problems and instruction. You can enter the problems and instructions. So write one in these blank lines. Second one, the CPU works on those instructions to produce result. Those instructions to produce results. Okay. So you have to write second instruction in these blank lines. Okay. Then third one, the result is displayed on the monitor. The result is displayed on the monitor. Okay. So, in the worksheet 1, you have to write 1 from this keyboard. You can enter the problems and instruction, and then 2, the CPU works on those instructions to produce result. 3, the result is displayed on the monitor. So let's move to worksheet number 2. Okay. So the question is, connect the football in the correct goalpost by drawing lines. Read carefully what each football says for the computer function. So here, look at the picture. There are 3 goalposts and 3 footballs. In the first goalpost, the sentence is, it is the language which is used to communicate with the computer. So first goalpost containing the statement is, it is the language which is used to communicate with computer. Okay. Then in the second goalpost, it contains the statement, the commands given to computer in its language, given to computer in its language to do a particular task. To do a particular task. Then the third word was contained the name of a computer language. The name of a computer language. Okay. So, in the first goalpost, this is the first one, and this is the second one, and this is the third one, right? So, the football contains logo. Next, computer language. Computer language. And computer program. Computer program. So match the correct one. First, it is the language which is used to communicate with the computer. So which is that? So the first statement is marked to second board. That is computer language definition. So what it is? It is the language which is used to communicate with the computer. Then in the second column, the command is the commands given to a computer in its language to do a particular task. So which is matched to the third board. So the computer program, the commands given to a computer in its language to a particular task. And the third statement, the name of a computer language is logo, right? So you have to match the football with the correct goalpost. Then worksheet number 3. Mary has written some sentences on a sheet of paper. Help her teacher to check these statements. Tick the sentence which you think is correct and cross the wrong sentence. So first question, all components of a computer work together to make it do work. All components of a computer work together to make it do our work. So is it correct or no? We know the computer's components are worked together to perform a task or to do a work. So this question is or the statement is correct. So put a tick mark on this box. First box contain a tick mark. Then second question, computer language is used to communicate with the humans. So is it correct or not? Does the computer language communicate is used to communicate with the humans? No. Then the computer language is used to communicate with the computer. So this statement is wrong. So put a cross mark on the second box, right? Then third one, all commands are given to the computer in a computer language. So all commands given to the computer in a computer language. Yes, we know computer language, it contains instructions or commands that is given to the computer. So the statement is correct. So you have to put a tick mark on the third box. Then fourth one, a human has more speed than a computer. So do you agree with that statement? A human has more speed than a computer. So it's wrong because computer is very speed and we already discussed it is one of the characteristics of a computer because the computer can do billions of actions per second. So that's why computer is speed. So the statement is correct. So you have to put a tick mark on the this statement is wrong. So you have to put cross mark on this box. So first one is correct, second one is false, and third one is correct, and fourth one is false. Then, so these are the things we have learned today. So the first one, so a quick recap on this chapter. First, what is a computer language? A computer language is used to communicate with the computer. Second one, a computer program. Computer program are commands given to the computer. Then example, logo, HTML, etc. Then how a computer spatial or what are the characteristics of a computer? Computer is speed, reliability and storage. Speed means it can do billions of actions per second. Then second one, reliability. Reliability means what? Computer do not or it will not make any mistakes. A computer gives you 100% accurate result. Then next is a computer can store a large amount of information, that is it has more storage capacity. So the all components of a computer work together to make it finish a task. A computer language is one which is used to communicate with the computer. All instructions are given to a computer in the computer language. Speed, reliability and storage are the main characteristics of a computer.